Hey my love, this is my honest view and thought on Danessa Myricks Beauty. Let's dive in. So yes, I did my eyeshadow and everything behind the camera because I don't want to take uh, a lot of time. This video was like takes 1 hour anyway, so editing 7 hour. Also, what do I think about Danessa Myricks Beauty uh, makeup line? It's really beautiful. I really like it. And not only that, the moisturizer and the balm is yes, it is moisturize your face. You don't really need anything, any skincare or anything to apply to use it before like other makeups. This is the moisturizer. It's very oily and moisturizing your face. It's you can go wrong. I mean, you can use it with other makeup routine also, but the point is it's kind of a little bit in the oil side for me. I don't know. This is the Glam powder. uh, when you put it in your face, it really does melt like a butter or a chocolate. It's very unusual texture it have, but it's very blendable. You can see I'm just using my fingers to blend it all. I really like it. I used it one time in morning to evening. I was all day outside. Oh yes, I really like it. And my makeup was staying all day. I was outside, and you gotta remember I live in Dubai, so most of the time it's hot and in humidity. So I blend it with the brush, and yeah, I put it all the way down to my neck to match with my neck and stuff. Yeah, you have to do that, otherwise it looks weird. Yeah, what else? Yeah, I when you blend it, it's just it goes all the way. And I use the serum, Yummy Serum Foundation. It's just I have to be honest. I've been using a lot of makeup. Maybe I'm new on YouTube and the social media, but I've been using makeup for the last 22 years. So I know what it feels like, makeup in your face and how it melts and stuff. But this I don't know what formula she using, but I really do love it. It's beautiful. It's glowy. It just melts in your face. You don't have to do a lot of work with it. Yeah, and the blush is the same thing. I would have go with the more color side. I just choose the peach color, which is not really showing on my face, on my cheekbones, but the texture is similar with all her makeup. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Uh, Wait until the end, and thank you very much for watching my video and support me. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Bye.
Strawberry on my lips and sugar fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine